be getting more breaking news from the state of West Bengal. One person has been killed as Bengal MLA's cars hit two-wheelers in Odisha's Balasore on his way back from visiting Lord Jagannath in Puri. A scooty driver named Radhakanta Lenka was killed when his vehicle was hit by the car of Trinamool MLA of North Howrah and Trinamool President of Howrah Sadar, Gautam Chaudhary, in the Sajanpur Simula area of Balasore. The MLA's wife and grandfather were also in the car at the time of accident. Joining me live on this broadcast is my colleague Pinky. Joining us live on this broadcast is my colleague Riyanka. Riyanka, what more can you tell us about this accident? A person has lost his life and the culprit is a TMC MLA.
As you rightly mentioned, Madhurima, this happened yesterday when West Bengal MLA Gautam Chaudhary was in fact returning from his visit to Puri Jagannath Temple, and the car, apparently an XUV, was moving in a very, very high speed, and incident happened at NH16. This is in Odisha's Balasore, where this particular car had hit a two-wheeler, and a youth who has been identified as Radhakanta Lenka, he lost his life. But on the other hand, the MLA and his family who were present inside the car, they were safe. Now, at this point in time, what we also understand that this particular MLA belongs to the Trinamool Congress. And as per the sources who have reported the accident, which had happened on a very busy highway in Odisha, the car, which was moving in a very high speed, collided head-on with the two-wheeler, which Radhakanta Lenka, who apparently died, he was riding, and there were other pillion riders as well with him who were heavily injured. They have been taken to the hospital, but Radhakanta Lenka was declared dead. At this point in time, what we also understand, the speeding car did not eventually stop at that point in time. It tried to go away, but later, after a distance, the car stopped, and then investigations on the other hand, that happened, and the circumstances surrounding where the particular accident happened and the overspeeding or the other violations were involved, the investigation is underway. As of now, there has been no immediate arrest, but the car has been seized, and the driver who was driving the car at the moment is under the police custody.
Well, thank you, Riyanka, for those details. Moving